morning, students. Students, just look at this picture. Do you recognize him? Students, you recognize him? He is Tenali Raman. Yes, many of you may have watched some movies on Tenali Raman in your kids channel, or you may have read many books on Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman actually was a jester in the king's court. He was a jester in king's court. Now what is the meaning of this word jester? Jester means a person who entertains others. In the olden days, these jesters were in the king's court. Court, you understand? Darbar. King's court, and they used to, with their witty remark, they were very intelligent, very humorous, and they used to give many judgments to the problems, and this helped the king to solve many problems in his court. They were very wise men, and they used to present their views in a very humorous and witty way. You know, they were very, like, you must have heard about Birbal, the great jester in Akbar's court. So in that way, Tenali Raman was actually a jester in king's court, and once he lived in Tamil Nadu, and once it happened that the story we are going to study, lesson number 7, magic vessels. Vessels, you all know, Bartan, and that's something magical. Now we are going to first talk about the story. It is so said that Tenali Raman was preparing for his daughter's marriage, and his wife suggested that after harvest means cutting of crops, they would perform the marriage of their daughter, because at that time they would have money to perform this marriage, and also they can invite the villagers for their daughter's marriage. So as usual, after the harvesting of their crops, they decided to, they fixed a date, and the marriage was to be performed. And what happened, this Tenali Raman and his wife were discussing that they had invited everybody, they have arranged for singers and dancers for the marriage, but they need big vessels, you know, for this preparing the food. Naturally, they are calling all the villagers and there will be a good amount of food to be prepared, and they don't have so big vessels or so many vessels in their home. So they decided that they would borrow vessels from their neighbors and the villagers. Okay, the villagers were very, very happy, because they were discussing amongst themselves that they were invited for that marriage, and there would be dancers and singers, and there will be a lot of entertainment, like the entertainment in the king's court. So they were very eagerly waiting for that date. Then Tenali Raman came to his neighbors' houses and asked and borrowed for vessels, and they gave it, because it's naturally we all help our neighbors and the people who come. So they gave the vessels. The marriage was performed, and it was a happy occasion for everybody. So after the marriage, Tenali Raman went to the people's houses and to return back the vessels. With that vessels which he had borrowed from those people, he was giving a smaller vessels. You understand? Vessels means birth. So he returned and gave one more vessel. Then one of them said that, Tenali, this is not our vessel. Why you are giving? This one is mine. The bigger one is mine, but the smaller one you are giving to me, it's not mine. Then what Tenali Raman said, he said, when your vessel was in our house during the marriage, your vessel gave birth to a baby, and this is a baby vessel. Then that man thought he must be mad. What he is talking, vessels giving birth to babies? Then he did not utter a word. He was happy. Okay, he is getting a gift. He took that smaller one. He readily accepted. It happened with everybody. Wherever he went, Tenali Raman, everybody's house he gave the vessel and he gave one smaller one. They all readily accepted without uttering a word, without murmuring. Murmuring means without saying something. They were happy that they got a gift. Now what happened after this? All those people who had lent the vessels to Tenali Raman, lent means given the vessels to Tenali Raman, they were all discussing, okay, next time we will give our silver vessels. So what will this foolish fellow do? He is very foolish man. So he will return another smaller vessel, and that would be silver, and we will become very rich. Next what happened? The next scene, actually this is a pictograph story. So next scene, as you can see, this is given in the form of, you will all enjoy reading this story because it is given with the dialogues here, with pictures and dialogues. You all read this type of books, isn't it? This Amar Chitra Katha and all that, with pictures and dialogues, and that is very interesting. So what happened next scene? It shows that these people, these villagers had gone to the king, and they were protesting against and they were complaining against Tenali Raman. Then the king asked, why? What happened? Why you have come to me? What is your problem? Then all the villagers said, he had taken our vessels, and that vessels we had given during his second daughter's marriage. Now first daughter was over, now second daughter's marriage, they were very highly excited, these villagers. They thought that they would get another smaller vessel, and so they all gave one silver vessel to him. So he said, these villagers complained to the king that we all gave silver vessels to pots and pans and other things we had given to Tenali Raman because he wanted for his second daughter's marriage. And now he is not returning, and he is saying that it is all gone. And the king called Tenali Raman. He asked Tenali Raman to come to the court, and court means this king's court, and he asked Tenali Raman, is it true what they are saying? He said, yes, Maharaja, it is true, and I have not returned. Then what you have done? He said, all these vessels which I had borrowed from the villagers, they are all dead. There was a peculiar disease, and these all vessels got affected by this disease, and they all died. He was surprised. My goodness, what you are saying? The vessels died and they got diseases like human beings or animals? Then he said, yes, ma'am, sir. Means sir here it is. Yes, Maharaja, or yes, sir, whatever you say. Because when during my first daughter's marriage, I had borrowed vessels from all the villagers, and they all gave it to me. And when I returned, I gave a smaller one. And I said that when your vessel was in my home, it gave birth to a baby, and they readily accepted. So when they can accept that vessels can give birth to babies, they should accept that vessels die due to disease. Then king said, is it so? Villagers, did you do that? And the villagers nodded, yes sir, yes Maharaja, we did. Then the king said, we cannot help. Then Tenali Raman said that king, I wanted to teach these villagers a lesson, because these villagers became very greedy. Greedy means they wanted more. The vessels are with me and they have not died. They are in a perfect condition and I would return to them. But when in the first occasion I returned them with a smaller one, they should have asked me or they should have told. But they did not do it. They said, okay, this is a baby. They accepted. So I wanted to teach them a lesson, because second time they all gave it to me in multiple numbers and gave in silver, their silver vessels, so that I returned them with another vessel with, and that should be in silver. So they became very greedy, and that's why I wanted to teach them a lesson. So the villagers, they understood, and he said that I will return their vessels after I return home. And so they all laughed, and the king laughed, and Tenali Raman also laughed. So with his intelligence, with his sheer intelligence, with his presence of mind, he taught these villagers a lesson that we should never be greedy. When Tenali Raman gave them that smaller one, they should have told no, that no, we don't want this. We had helped you when you were in need. It's okay. We should not take something out of greed. So they learned a lesson, and this is all about this story, Magic Vessel. So you all know Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman, many stories are there, children. Read the books on Tenali Raman, read some stories, and you can share, you can tell me those stories which you have read. I would love to hear those stories from you. So they are very nice, good stories on Tenali Raman. Okay, so this is all about the story. You can go through this picture story and you will enjoy reading this story. Now we are coming to the new words of this lesson. Harvest, the time of the year for gathering crops. You all know that crops have to be cut after they are ripened and they have to be taken. So this is harvest. Murmur means saying something in a low and soft voice. Murmuring. You don't do. The person who is sitting next to you can't hear. Uproar. It was a public expression of protest. Everybody was protested that how could he do this? He has taken our vessels and all the vessels we gave it to him, and he is not returning our vessels. So there was an uproar. There was an uproar in the parliament regarding some incident. Okay. Scoundrel. Scoundrel means one who cheats others. So the villagers went to the king telling that Tenali Raman is a scoundrel because he has cheated us. And absurd is something that does not make any sense. The king was surprised. He said, it's absurd. How can the vessels catch disease and die? So this is all about these new words of the story. Hope you will read the story and enjoy it. Thank you.